soundstage, named after our own Jack Foley. This is where we add sound effects to film and also television. Let me show you what we're working on right this minute here. Chuck, do me a favor. Could you put in a piece of the clock sequence, please? Camera speed. That's the director's voice you're hearing. Obviously, we're going to erase that. Thunder for the lightning. Good. Boy, lots to do. How you doing? Great. Come on over here. You're going to do the storm for the scene, okay? All the way over here. 2 lights to watch. Oh, you stay over there. I'll be with you. This light will turn on several times. You just do this. Thunder. Okay, yeah. This is yours also. It turns on 1 time at the beginning. Just take the handle all the way around. Wind. Okay. Very careful, though. It's expensive. Don't break the wind. Thanks, man. Hi, step back here if you would. You're going to play Harry the Bigfoot. Hi, do you speak English? Okay. That's okay. I'll tell you what. King Kong? Okay, Godzilla. Okay, yeah, Godzilla. The light turned red, and you just right in there, any language you like. My career just died. Where are you from? India. And you said you were from? Okay, well, lady from India, come on over here. You get the green slime pit. It's going to be like first thing at the scene, okay? There's your light. It goes on 1 time. Just take these plungers here, and all you're going to do is just go until the light turns on, okay? Don't push too hard to do, and you're going to be in there forever, okay? Don't do that, good? You also have the crash box. This is yours. There are a lot of crashes. Very busy. Every time the light turns red, you'll spin the box and make a lot of noise. Okay, cool. Okay. Sir, 2 lights for you. This one will turn on 1 time and hear the clock. Okay. The one on the chalkboard, this actually is the first thing that goes on. It'll happen twice. Metal right here and just scream. Ooh, and irritate. Fun. Hi, come on down here. And what's your name? Oh, and you're from Canada. You're going to help him out. He's doing the growling and grunting over there. You're doing the big roar at the end. Okay? You speak English? What language do you speak? Oh, don't know that one. I'll tell you what. Okay, he's going to go growl, growl. You're going to go roar and scare everybody. Okay? So get a little closer to your mic. Yeah! This will turn red and just roar in there. Go ahead, try one for me. Okay. Roar. Okay. All right, I need everybody else to help. This is like super mega important. I'm going to hold this sign up. When it goes up, everybody scream as loud as you can. Let's all try, just to make sure we're doing the same language, okay? Everybody sit up really straight. Cool. Clear your throats. Take a deep breath in. We can roll.
There's a problem. What? I pushed the button that erases the dialogue.
You erase the purpose? Oh, plug it here. ADR. Automated dialogue replacement. Technically, that means I just volunteered you to talk. Surprise! This light's going to turn red, just like your face is starting to do. There'll be a sentence. Be cool, there's nobody home. You read that in there, and then turn around and do that too. Good luck. Thanks.
Don't mention it.
All right, so folks on the soundstage, just watch the lights. When they turn red, that's the cue. Speed, roll.
Be cool, there's nobody home.
Hey, wow, that was enough. Okay, you're finished. Stay here, watch the TV, okay? Are you ready? It's gonna be your turn. Get a little closer to the microphone. You're gonna be fine. Move a little closer to here. When the light lights up, just roar. One more thunder coming up. Oh, did you turn on? Oh, Chuck, that's not funny. I wonder if she's just kind of... We'll do it again. Okay, that's all right. That'll be rehearsal. We got it. We're going to have to go one more time.
Can do the network call. We go live to the satellite in 1 minute.
She came all the way from the Philippines to do this, okay? Do what? Take everything that you got already, put it up here on the stick. But when it comes to her turn, I'm just going to go 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Plug her in on my go count. Yeah, listen. So everybody on stage, watch. Make it taller. Ooh, give me claws like this with your hands. Claws like this. Put your hands up your claws. Yes. You can put that down. Oh, good. And then put your claws up here. Good. And be really mean.